Saving energy. Almost everything that we use, we consume electricity. Where does light come from? Much of the power we use every day is generated from gas turbines, wind turbines, hydroelectric generators, and solar power systems. These massive technologies work around the clock to produce the energy that lights up and runs our workplaces. But generating electricity is never free. It takes fuel, water, land, and advanced technology. And in many cases, it also means burning fossil fuels that release pollution into the air. Every time we switch off an unused light or choose an energy-efficient bulb, we're cutting costs and helping to reduce waste, protect natural resources, and build a cleaner future. Did you know? Energy and cost calculation of tube light in our textile factory is approximately 35,687 EGP per week. For example, in the finishing department, its 24-hour electric consumption of light is 240.24 kilowatt-hours, with a unit cost of 1.92 EGP. Over a 6-day working week, this adds up to 2,767.56 EGP. Every single day, our finishing department's electricity use equals burning 9 gallons of gasoline or the work of 3 trees, removing carbon emissions for a whole year. Over year, that's like burning more than 3,000 gallons of gasoline. Imagine the impact if we cut our energy waste by just 10%. What about knitting department? The factory's weekly energy cost is divided across departments. For example, the knitting department alone costs 26,314.56 EGP per week for consuming electricity of lighting. Now that's a lot. We are wasting too much energy. We should make changes, starting today. How? Switch off lights when not in use, during extended breaks or lunch periods if the area will be unoccupied. Turn off all lights at the specific area where the machines are sitting idle or have no work or no activity to preform to conserve energy. Turn off lights in areas that are not in use, such as storage rooms or unused sections of the department. Conduct regular inspections to ensure lights are turned off in unoccupied areas and that automated controls are functioning correctly. Turn off appliances completely, don't just leave them in standby mode. Unplug chargers, phone, laptop, tools when not in use. They still draw small amounts of power. Devices like TVs, computers, printers, microwaves, and chargers still consume power when off but plugged in. On average, standby power equals 5 to 10% of household or office electricity use. Example: if your electricity bill is 2,000 EP a month, then standby mode could waste 200 EP a month, * 2,400 EP a year. Saving power begins with simple actions. When you start with yourself, you inspire others, and together small steps create real change. Thanks for watching.